Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I have Mercedes GLC 2019 model. Have a look at the dashboard. Service due. Basically I done the service. Now I'm going to show you how we going to reset service light without computer. Basically many cars need a computer these days. However, Mercedes still we can do that light reset without computer. I'll show you. Basically what we had to do, we had to switch off the engine, then dashboard need to at mileage sign, this sign. Once the dashboard at this sign, we have to switch off, just press 1, then only parking brake sign on, no other else. Then after that you need to press OK button and call button together. Now I am going to press OK and call button and hold 1, 2, 3. I hold call OK and call button 3 seconds. You can see the dashboard will change. After that you need to scroll down with this arrow button, assist plus. Once you get assist plus, press OK. Once you press OK, it asks to ignition on. Then you have to press this button without pressing brake pedal. Just press once. Now ignition on. Then after that I have to press OK because there is another warning come. Then after that press OK and scroll down to full service. Press OK. Then after that you need to scroll down until service confirm and press OK. Then you have to select the oil grade. I'm going with the first selection. Press OK. After that it's asked service carried out. I'm going to say yes because I done the service. Press yes. Again it's asked confirm. Scroll down with this arrow key, then press OK. I'm going to press OK. Right. Full service completed. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off and I'm going to start the car. Right. Exit from this menu. Going to the trip. Right. Now, again, I'm going to switch off and start the car. You can see now, service reminder disappeared. Now, you don't want to reset with the computer. Now, you know how to reset service light without computer. Mercedes GLC 2019 model. Mercedes, you can do similar way. Thank you. See you in the next video.